like to win our Miata? Well, today I'm going to tell you just how to do that. If we make it to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube by May of 2024, which is our 5-year YouTube anniversary, it's going to be given to one of you lucky subscribers.
Wait!
So make sure to subscribe. Welcome back to the channel. The day has finally come. We're going to Road America. Where else do you start but the gas station?
Yeah, every great road trip starts at a gas station.
Do you know, I just have to comment on the Macan for 1 second. The hole for the nozzle is the tightest hole on any car I have ever known. It takes pressure to put it in and a lot of pressure to take it out.
There's no jokes to be made there, you sickos.
All right, let's get on the road. I'm excited. Make sure you click like, comment, subscribe. Where are you going, Ty?
Nowhere. Don't worry about it. I'm back.
Well, that was a quick detour. So that is the first time that's ever happened. I spent so much time talking about the nozzle that I only partially closed the gas cap. But you know what that means? It only means that we need to go on another on-ramp.
On-ramps hard.
So we're trying to go through the 437-mile range as fast as we can. I think we're doing okay.
I think so too.
I am so excited to get down to Road America. I cannot believe it. Today's practice.
Yep.
Tomorrow we got races.
Is there any qualifying today?
There's some, qualifying maybe today. I don't know. It's Road America. It's filled with the sights, sounds, and feels
and
of
race cars.
Yeah. So I'm just excited to get down there. The next time you guys see us, it will be on the racetrack.
On the racetrack? I can drive?
Wait a minute, Road America! We have made it to the Mecca of road racing.
Is it the Mecca?
It is the Mecca. I'm glad we chose the Macan. It was the most sensible, luxurious, exotic experience.
It was comfortable.
It was comfortable. Let's go check out the cars. So the race cars are the crown jewel of Road America, but I love scrounging around the parking lot.
SF90.
Lamborghini Urus, and all of the people. We just spent a half an hour talking to I forget the guy's name, I got his card, but he's got a sweet Carmine Red Macan GTS. It's just fun to connect with all these Road America people. I love this place.
Race car!
Tyler, I wanted to see this. This car has the largest gas cap known to mankind. Come here.
GTW is definitely feeling fast today. 37 machines, fastest TCs.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Boom! Big. I love Porsche race cars.
We made it to turn 5, as you can see, and it is glorious.
I'll take an AMG. I'll take any race car that's out there. I love this stuff. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. This is amazing. Oh, hi Ty. All right, so here's what happened with the brand new Porsche 911 RSR race car. It was going around turn 5. It was that's what happened. Real life, exactly sound for sound, what happened.
As the day winds out, Chris is doing Chris things.
You're such a dork. Those are supposed to be behind the scenes, never before. Do people know how to take a picture of their own car for the 18th time?
Yeah, it's he's just crazy. So we finished our first day at Road America.
I mean, I would say it was pretty good. The weather was brilliant.
It was perfect, honestly.
We talked to a couple people. We saw some sweet cars. I'm excited for tomorrow, but you guys are gonna have to wait until the next video.
I hope a certain 911 gets to drive and race tomorrow.
Make sure you guys click like, comment, subscribe, awkward high five. What a beautiful day.